Hi guys, it's Caila. Welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how I do my hair care routine. I do this every day. It's just a simple routine that you can also follow. I've decided to do this video since my last tweet exploded. A lot of you have asked me or messaged me, how do I maintain my curls, especially in this kind of weather or climate here in the Philippines. Although hindi po ako expert sa pag-aayos ng hair or hindi po ako hairstylist in any way, ito lang po yung nag-work sa akin best. And I hope it will help you too. Before we start, first let me introduce to you the man behind the camera, EJ! So mag-hi ka!
Hi!
Hello! Di ka
Hello.
kita! Siya daw magbubuhay nito. It's gonna help me throughout the video since I don't usually make videos. It's my first time again after a year.
Sorry guys, because this was really my first pageant ever.
Ang first na laging tinatanong sa akin is if I shower every single day. Yes po, I shower every single day and I make sure maganda po yung products na ginagamit ko. I make sure that it's suitable for really curly hair. First, when I go into the shower, I make use of a shampoo and a conditioner. One,
No!
two, sabi tayo!
Hindi, kaya mo yan. Go! Kaya mo yan.
Yves Rocher! Ito po ito yung pangalan niya. Pakita mo. At first, I pronounce it as Yves Rocher and then I googled it and sabi nila Yves Rocher. Kaya Yves Rocher. This is paired with this conditioner, which is as the same brand. They both contain okra seeds, which believed to... These products contain okra seeds, which help tame and smooth frizzy hair, especially for curly hair. And they smell really good. Amin mo. Oh, next!
Amoy matanda.
Next! Kung hindi niyo po mahanap tong products na to or meron po kayong gusto pang i-invest na sa ibang products, meron pa po akong 2 products na nagre-resort ako if ever naiwan ko tong dalawa. This is the Marc Hydrating Coconut Oil. A friend recommended this to me. He told me that he uses the conditioner one, but I bought the shampoo one to try it, and it works really well for me. It's not really harsh, but it cleans as well. It maintains my hair. Next is mas mabango from the coconut oil, and this is from LUSH. Since that I'm trying to discover a lot of hair products, hindi natin tatanggalin si LUSH sa list ng gusto mong hanapan ng magandang products for your hair. This smells incredible. Wala siyang tutulad sa mga products na meron ako. Amin. Sir. And this is called the American Dream. American Cream. Wait lang. Ulit. And this is called the American Cream. So, ang routine ko sa shower is I use my shampoo, then I condition my hair, and while I have my conditioner on, I use this brush para ma-detangle lahat ng mga buhol-buhol. Sa mga nagtatanong, I don't use or comb my hair after shower because maghihiwalay-hiwalay siya. But if you do it inside the shower while it's wet, it will result to a better hair or wavelength. Etong brush na to, sa Watson's ko lang yata ito nabili, I think. Meron akong na-find out, magandang pangkulot talaga. Pero, nakakaya, pakita. Tingnan nyo. Eto, pinagtatawan to ng mga friends ko nung nakita nila. Hello! Syempre, masisira talaga to. Pero ito, hindi to nasisira. Pero ito, maganda talaga siya. Yung hands ng comb is pa-wavy. I think I'm gonna buy a new one kasi pag nasira na tong lahat.
Nagsuklay ka pa.
Kasi nasisira talaga siya. Lalo na kapag mahirap suklayin. Yung way ng pagsusuklay ko is hahawakan ko siya dito sa topmost and then softly ko siyang tatanggalan ng buhol-buhol sa baba. Side note, I forgot to mention, after taking a shower, don't use harsh towels because it means that more friction, more frizz sa curly hair. So, just use your soft cloth or yung t-shirt yung ginamit beforehand. After ng shower, hindi din matatapos yung hair care routine natin. We still have to make use of a lotion. Trusted na to and palagi ko tong ginagamit daily. This is the OGX Curling Perfection. Lahat ng line ng OGX is miracle worker. A lot of people have asked me ano talaga yung holy grail hair product ko. And it's OGX. If ayaw nyo gumamit ng lotion for your hair, it's alright. You can still resort to using an oil type. And this is their Kukui oil. Ito yung maganda sa oil na to is pwede mo siyang i-spray all over your hair para maayos. Kung hindi nyo to gustong i-investa ng money, you can still buy this one, Rocker Wave Curl Cream, and this one can be bought in Watsons. You can ask the sales lady kung ano maganda para sa pangkulot, and ito yung ituturo nila sa'yo. Hindi kayo magsasawang gamitin silang lahat, and magaganahan kayong ayusin yung routine nyo. And at night, when I go home, I will just put my hair in a bun just to make sure mas less yung tendency na magbubuhol-buhol at night kasi magulo ako matulog. If you're wondering where I bought all these products, I bought this at SM Aura. Next, this shampoo. I bought this shampoo at SNR. Meron po silang stocks na marami ng ganitong kalaki. Kaya, this will last you for a very long time. Next is itong LUSH. Any LUSH shops. Meron sa Glorieta, meron sa Trinoma. Next is itong OGX line na to. Nabili ko to sa Rob Manila Watsons and sa SM Makati. Next, ito is you can find this at your local Watsons store.
Tambayan ng mga babae.
Tambayan ng mga babae. And also this brush. You can buy this Wet Brush Pro at Watsons. So, hope you learned a lot from this video. And I'm really rooting for the curly community since wala pang masyadong nagfo-focus sa mga hair natin.
Magtulungan tayo para
hindi tayo mabuhaghag! Feel free to comment down below your suggestions or your comments or your questions. I am willing to answer them all. Thank you and